So here's a quick hack on how to reduce stress when selling your home. Many people think that selling a home is a sprint or a marathon, and it's more like a hurdles race, right? There's always going to be some hurdles along the way. My job is to help you jump those hurdles and continue on to the next one. We jump enough hurdles and we have finished the race successfully. So we need to anticipate those things. And one of those things, and one of the ways that I help reduce stress with my clients, is getting the UNO checklist, the use and occupancy from the township and municipality that you live in. They have some rules in issuing what's called a use and occupancy certificate, a way that allows the next person to move in the home and say that it's safe by township or municipality standards. Anyway, each township's a little different. Some make you jump over more hurdles than most, and some don't have any hurdles at all. But knowing them up front, and as you're preparing to put your home on the market, addressing any of those items, it's less we have to deal with when we are under contract and ready to go. If we can do as much of that stuff before we even go on the market, it's one less hurdle we have to jump once we're under contract. Because once we're under contract and there's a time attached to it, that's when things start to get a little stressful and they start to add up. So I like to avoid that. So for you, you can go and look at your municipality for that checklist. You can request it, or you can just come to me. I have access to those checklists, and I've worked in many of those townships, and I will walk through that with you. Hope that helps.